Welcome to our TeamGuru video tutorial, how you can view comments in a row right next to your project or unit or partners next to your dashboard per time period. When you go to your metric dashboard, as you know, you are able to see actions and comments right next to your metric dashboard, and you will see this nice overview of your comments. You can also choose that you will want it just for the selected period, so it will show you, since we are in October, just all the comments for October. But now we also have a feature when you can see these comments right next to your project or unit or partner in a row for that time period. And to set it up, you just have to go to your metric dashboard settings. And when you scroll down, you need to make sure that show periods in columns is checked. And once it is checked, it will give you these two more options to choose from. So if you want to see comments for that selected period in a row, then you have to check this box, and you can also select the column width. And if you set it up like that, when you export your metric dashboard to PDF file, you will be able to see this nice overview of your comments. And you might want to even consider to subscribe to receive automatic email notifications at a certain time period with this PDF file attachment. And that's pretty much it. If you have any questions or need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@teamguru.com. We would be very happy to hear from you.